Om Shanti. May you be a Mahavir who experiences happiness and contentment in situations of discontentment by having remembrance of the Father. Today on 11th May 2020's Sakar Murli, Baba is blessing us by saying that may you be a Mahavir who experiences happiness and contentment in every situation. And this can happen only when we all time remember just the one Father. We can be stable in every situation only when we remember Baba in every second. If he is just with my breath, in every breath if I am remembering him, if he is just with me in my entire day or throughout my life, then only that state of mind could be achieved when we remain absolutely stable, fine, firm, even in those unfavorable or some situations which are not in demand or something that should not happen in my life, etc. Also, Shiv Baba said that constantly keep your divine firm in your awareness and no one will be able to have any wasteful vision towards you. So people think bad about us only till we think or consider ourselves to be like that. Because directly Shiv Baba says, if you keep your divine form in your awareness, in your consciousness, then nobody can even dare to think anything wrong about you. Shiv Baba also said, like if a student goes to study barristry or doctorate, so he won't be receiving the degree instantly after getting enrolled in the university or during the time of its academic years, his or her academic years, that is of 4 to 5 years. But he'll be getting the degree after passing all the respective institutional examinations, after clearing all the examinations coming in front of the student. So similarly, Shiv Baba says that you will be becoming DT only when you continue to study and keep yourselves passing the situations which are nothing but examinations. These are exams, situations are exams that has to be passed with honor by using the knowledge that Shiv Baba is giving on everyday basis. Shiv Baba says you need to give introduction of the Father's remembrance to everyone. Giving introduction of the Father is one thing, and giving introduction of remembering the Father is the real service. Like when you speak, when you see, just like Dadi Janki, we never had this feeling that we should remember Dadi Janki. No. We always get inspired by Dadis. We feel that these are absolutely angelic souls, but they never draw our attention to themselves. They always drag our attention to Shiv Baba. And this is what Shiv Baba says, that through your face, your activities, words, let Father show. Son shows Father. So this is what Dadis did, and this is what Shiv Baba asked we children to do. Instead of inspiring or influencing somebody to yourself, your life, words, deeds, thoughts should become so powerful that one can remember Shiv Baba through you. Shiv Baba says that you will need to know, you definitely will win over the power of science, which means the power of silence will definitely get the championship trophy over the power of science. Because science is responsible for creating things which can destroy this world, and silence is the power which can create the new world. Silence, which means stability of the mind, stability of the soul to deal any situation so easily and so perfectly that a new identity can be created from the previous one. Shiv Baba says there has to be purity in whatever you eat. There has to be purity in your eating habits. And also he mentions that eating rice with pulse is excellent. That means simple. Whatever we eat, our eating habits should be simple and spiritually pure as well by remembering the father. And Shiv Baba cautioned we children to not see this old world, because this is just this old world. Everything belonging to this old world is just a paraphernalia of the path of devotion, which has to get destroyed in this sacrificial fire of Baba's knowledge Rudra Yajna. Also, Shiv Baba said that in Satyug, the way of funeral or this cremation is absolutely different, because body will be destroyed just by the spark of electricity in a second. It would be very easy to destroy the bodies which the soul leaves. It won't be difficult to, like here, what do? We cremate it with fire. There is cremation with fire. We burn the bodies or we bury them. But in Satyug, Baba says, there won't be any burning ritual, neither burying ritual. There will just be a spark of electricity which is sufficient to destroy the old bodies. So this is what Shiv Baba said in today's Murli. Also he said that God is not responsible for destruction or for creation of this iron age. It is we souls who are absolutely responsible to create this impure land. Because we are impure, so definitely we can create something impure. And the opposite is also true, that Shiv Baba is 100% pure. So he'll be creating something that is 100% pure. And his creation is pure soul, that is divine souls, creating divinity inside the souls. And to create the 100% pure land, that is Shivalaya Satyug. So this is what we had in today's Murli. Om Shanti.